Hey friends, if you encounter Bluetooth sound delay on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So it's not very difficult to resolve. Here's what you have to do. First of all, go to the system tray, expand the list of Bluetooth devices, disconnect, and then reconnect to the same device. Okay. This should solve the problem. If it does not, then check the distance between the Bluetooth device and your computer. If it is too distant, then it will be a problem. The next one is to update the Bluetooth drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the Bluetooth one. Select Update Drivers and update it. And the last solution is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. So right click on the Start button. Select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Run corresponding to the Bluetooth Troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.